Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn 50 real-life English conversations.
Listen carefully, repeat each conversation, and practice speaking with me. Are you ready? Let's begin our first conversation at the supermarket.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
It's in aisle 3.
How much are these apples?
They're $3 a kilo.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it does.
Is this seat free?
Yes, please sit down.
Which stop is next?
Central Station.
May I come in?
Yes, come in.
Can you explain this again?
Certainly. Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it yesterday. Where is the library?
It's next to the science building. What are you studying?
I'm studying engineering. When is the exam?
It's next Monday. Are you busy?
A little, but I can help.
Can you send me the report?
I'll send it this afternoon. What time is the meeting?
It starts at 10.
May I see the menu?
Here you are.
What do you recommend?
The grilled chicken is very popular.
Could I have the bill, please?
Certainly. What would you like to drink?
I'd like a cappuccino. Is this table available?
Yes, it is. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Lily.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, thank you. Are you using this machine?
No, go ahead. How often do you work out?
3 times a week. Where is the check-in desk?
Straight ahead.
What time does boarding begin?
At 2:30.
Can you take me to the airport?
Sure.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
I'd like to check in.
May I have your passport?
What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10.
Do you have something for a headache?
Yes, we do. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling better today. Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Can I borrow this book?
Yes, you can.
I'd like to withdraw some money.
Certainly.
How much is the postage?
$5.
Do you have this in a larger size?
Let me check.
Can I try this on?
Of course. What's for dinner?
We're having pasta. Can you help me cook?
Sure. What are your plans today?
I'm going shopping.
Would you like to join us?
I'd love to. Is there a discount?
Yes, it's 20% off.
Excuse me, where's the nearest ATM?
It's around the corner.
May I speak to Alex?
Speaking.
What time does the movie start?
At 7 o'clock.
Is the water warm?
Yes, it's perfect.
Which platform is train number 5?
Platform 2.
It was nice talking to you.
See you again soon.
Congratulations! You just learned 50 useful English conversations. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next English lesson.